Okay. Well, John, here it is.
London Brighton Bike Ride, professional bike, amazing gears, proper gloves, proper tube thing.
Fat bastard belly.
Fat bastard belly. So that's what you want, isn't it? For fuck's sake.
Right, Mr. Dyer? Yep. First decent hill we come to. Si, barone. Mr. Dyer, how far we come? Hey, refreshments.
I'm feeling fine. Lungs are okay, tonsils a bit sore, has to be said.
Yeah, that's what you get for hanging around people like
Cristola.
Exactly. Si, barone. Si, barone indeed.
54.5 miles down, just half a mile in.
And half a mile of queuing traffic to overtake. Whee! This is not New Brighton, this is down south somewhere.
Off road, yeah, exactly.
It's great being royalty, isn't it? Mr. Dyer, you spag. Right, race.